Here in a keyword planner itself, we have some of the keyword ideas. It is a newly introduced. Okay, beta is nothing but newly introduced one. Okay, we have some of the refined keywords like based on a brand or non-brand. Okay, some of the keywords are refined here. Okay, based on a brand or non-brand. Because I don't want brand wise, then I will turn off so that your keywords will be come down. Okay, only one keyword is there without attaching a brand name. Okay, for example, we say that brand should not be attached. Brand should not be attached. Then it will come down to a 11,369 keyword out of 1659. Some of the keywords which has been attached with the other bands brands. Then it is comes to a which type of the oil it is. Okay, for example, in a hair oil, yours is belongs to a amla. Okay, then what we can do, we can select only the amla. Okay, the keyword suggestion will come down again 752, so that we have been relevant. We are refining our keywords in such a way that it should suitable for me. Then again, it is not a hair shampoo, it is only a cream or nothing. This product is not belongs to any of this particular. uh, is it hair conditioner or cream gel? This is not a product. Our product is not belongs to this particular category, so we can say those things were excluded, so your keyword search again came down. Then here, is it solving any of the these hair problems? For example, you may be saying that okay, it will be useful for a hair fall and dry hairs. Okay, then again your keyword search comes down, and here you can say that only for beard, leaves, roots. Okay, like 50 ml, which category it is, I will take it out so that we'll be refining much more. Only 500 keywords are now by refining all these things. Okay, in the sense, this refined keyword here, refined keyword option is there. By using this refined keyword, we can take out which are not belongs to you, because these brands are not belongs to you. Okay, these are oil brands, like other brands we have been selected. Okay, if it is not be belongs to other brands also. Okay, so it is not a branded, ours is not here. If you have a your brand is listed here, then you can select only that particular brand. Okay, so like this we can exclude some of the things. Okay, some of the things we have been excluded. By that we have been reduced our keyword ideas to 1659 to 409. Here 409 keywords are now there. Now within that what we will do, we will select some of the keyword and we will group them. Okay, we'll group them. What we will do, we'll go to junk oil. This one is relevant for my product. Hair oil for men, this is relevant for my product. And ayurvedic hair oil, this is also relevant for my product. These are the three keywords which have been high search volume also it is there, and lower cpc also. Okay, then hair fall control you can select, or lower cpc one you can select some of them which has a lowest bid price, lower bid price, like um, good this particular has a herbal hair oil, or okay, mystical hair oil. This particular has a lowest bid, as well as a search volumes also. Okay, 100 to 1000 search volumes are there. Okay, these keywords we have been selected. Okay, one keyword is selected. Then you can select some more keywords also, like hair shine oil, two selected. Then it comes to a um, aroma hair oil, has a good search volume, so three of them has been selected. Then we can make a plan Okay, existing campaign or plan. I'm making a plan here, not any campaign I'm running, plan. And a new ad group, you can say test one or hair oil. That is the ad group you would like to create. Okay, that is the ad group. Hair oil related ads, I would like to put it in a that particular ad group. And match, this is very important. Match is nothing but, broad match is nothing but, if any of the one thing if is searched, someone is searching like a best hair oil, then also your ad will be shown because broad match is there. Partial match is nothing but, if someone is searching for a best aroma hair oil, in that particular sentence, the entire three words should be there as it is arranged. Okay, then only your ad will be shown. If you are selecting a false match, if you are selecting exact match in the sense, exact match in the sense, if someone searching for the aroma hair oil, then only your ad will be shown. Otherwise, your ad will not be shown. If simply they are searching a hair oil, your ad will not be shown. If they are searching for a best hair oil, then also your ad will not be shown. Only the aroma hair oil exactly matching, then only your ad will be shown if you are selecting a exact match. For reach maximum clients, we have to select a broad match. Okay, then you have to say add keywords. We have to say add keywords. Your ad keywords has been added to a one particular plan, that we will analyze that plan later. Like this, we can search for any of the keywords. You can search for any of the keywords, then you can group them. We can group them to a plan. Okay, you can make it a different ad groups you can do. Okay, for the different product, like here instead of hair wipe, we'll take a electric bike. This is a one more product I would like to market. Okay, now you can see these are the these are the keywords available for the relevant to this electric bike. In that, I can select one or two keywords here. Like this, we can select, okay, one or two keywords which is relevant to my ad. Then I will say ad, not in a hair oil, it should be in a create ad group, different ad group, that is nothing but a electric vehicle. Okay, electric vehicle, create. Then I will say here I need a parse a match and add keywords. Like this, I haven't created a two ad groups. That is the way, one is for the electric bike, one is for the hair oil. We'll analyze them further. Okay, these created ad groups we will analyze further to select which will be better keyword for your ad.